Welcome to the Premium Banner Stand installation tutorial. Here is everything you will need to install a banner in your banner stand. The base, the top bar, a banner trimmed to size, and additional tape. First, you will need to remove the end caps from your top bar and unclamp it. Insert your banner into the top bar. Make sure that it's positioned in the top bar fully. Now, clamp down on your top bar, securing the banner into place. Start from the center and work your way out. This ensures that the graphic is applied smoothly and that the top bar does not warp or bend. Place the end caps back onto the top bar. Re-roll your banner so that the back is facing out. Remove the end cap on the right side of the base. If you have trouble with this, simply use a flathead screwdriver to get leverage. Inside the end cap, you will find the locking pin with a labeled warning and 2 screw packs to secure the end caps onto the base. Remove the paper backing found attached to the adhesive on the leader. Adhere the graphic. Smooth out the graphic and apply additional tape to both the banner and the leader. Flip the banner stand back over and apply additional tape to both the back of the leader and the back of the banner. Pull the leader completely from the base, reinforcing it against the banner stand with your hands. Pull the locking pin found on the right side of the banner stand, and reposition your hands to gently guide the banner back into the banner stand. You can store your locking pin in the rubber grommet found underneath the right end cap. To secure your end caps onto the base, locate the holes at the bottom of the base near the front of the stand, and use the screw packs provided in the right end cap